everyone, Chang here and welcome to my channel. This is a skill building video series where basically we take a certain skill and we try to practice it very well so that when we see a similar problem in the future, we can solve it with ease. Let's begin. So for today's video, we're going to be focusing on taking fractions to the exponential power. In order to do so, it's actually quite simple. When you look at the fraction with the exponents on the outside, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to distribute the exponents to the numerator and the denominator. Now, the second thing is that if it happens to be a mixed fraction, what you actually have to do is you're going to have to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction, then go back to step one, where you're going to distribute the exponent to the numerator and denominator. Let's begin. So for this problem, we have a 3 over 10 on the inside to the parentheses with the exponent of 2 on the outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this guy right here, the exponent, and we're going to distribute it into the top, the numerator, and the denominator. Because basically, once again, this is just multiplication. When it says square in this case, you're just getting 3 over 10 times 3 over 10. So technically what you're doing is you're going to have 3 over 10 times 3 over 10, which in this case is just 3, and then as we mentioned, square because it's multiplying it by itself, so square right here, and the bottom is going to be 10 and squared. So we just distribute the exponent to the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so we have 3 squared over 10 squared. Well, in this case, 3 squared is just 9, right? 3 times 3. 10 squared is just 10 times 10, so that's 100. And here is our final answer. So for this problem, we have a mixed fraction. We have 1 over 4 in the inside of this parentheses to the power of 3. Now, in order to work with this, what we're going to have to do is for this mixed fraction, we have to change it to improper fraction. After that, we can carry out the distributing exponents into the numerator and the denominator. So for this one, we're going to focus on this first. 4 times 2, which is going to be 8, plus 1 is 9. So the inside actually ends up being 9 over 4. Okay, we still have our to the power of 3. Now we're going to distribute the power of 3 to the numerator and to the denominator. So now we have 9 to the third power over 4 to the third power. In this case, it's 9 times 9 times 9 over 4 times 4 times 4. So up here is 9 times 9 is 81, times 9 again is 729, I believe. So let's just write that over here. It's going to be 729 on top. The bottom is 4 times 4 is what? 16 times 4 again is 64. So this is going to be 64 right here. And so this is our final answer. So for the remainder of this video, I'm going to dial back on my explanation. Hopefully you guys can follow along. Thank you for watching this video regarding exponents on fractions. See you in the next video.